Number 1 Gold. Gold is a chemical element with the symbol O, from Latin, aurum, and atomic number 79, making it one of the higher atomic number elements that occur naturally. Gold is a highly sought-after precious metal that has been used for coinage, jewelry, and other arts throughout recorded history. It is a dense, soft, malleable, and ductile metal with a bright yellow color and luster that is considered attractive, which is why it is used in jewelry. Gold has many special properties, like it is a good conductor of electricity, it does not tarnish, and it is a good deterrent to corrosion, so it is used for electronic devices and for gold plating. And it has been a valuable and highly sought-after precious metal for coinage, jewelry, and other arts since ancient times. Number 2 Platinum. Platinum is a chemical element with the symbol Pt and atomic number 78. It is a dense, malleable, ductile, highly unreactive, precious, silverish white transition metal. Its name is derived from the Spanish term platina, which is literally translated into little silver. Platinum is a rare metal, occurring at a concentration of only 0.005 parts per million in the Earth's crust. It is one of the rarest elements in the Earth's crust. Platinum is used in jewelry, laboratory equipment, electrical contacts and electrodes, platinum resistance thermometers, dentistry equipment, and catalytic converters in automobiles. It is also used for fuel cells, which generate electricity by combining hydrogen and oxygen, and in the making of jewelry. Platinum is also used as a catalyst in chemical reactions, including those used to make fertilizers, nitric acid, and fine chemicals. It is also used in cancer drug production and in jewelry as a substitute for white gold. Number 3 Diamond. Diamond is a naturally occurring mineral composed of carbon atoms arranged in a crystal structure called a diamond lattice. It is the hardest known naturally occurring material, and it has the highest thermal conductivity of any material at room temperature. Diamonds are valued for their beauty and rarity, and have been used for thousands of years as gemstones for jewelry, as well as for cutting and polishing other materials. They are also used in industry, such as in cutting, drilling, and polishing tools. Diamonds are formed deep within the Earth's mantle, at depths of around 150 to 200 kilometers, under high pressure and high temperature conditions. They are brought to the surface through volcanic eruptions and are then mined. The value of a diamond is determined by its characteristics, known as the 4 C's, carat, weight, cut, color, and clarity. A higher carat weight, a better cut, a lack of color, and a high level of clarity will all result in a more valuable diamond. Diamonds are used in various applications including jewelry, cutting tools, abrasives, heat sinks, optical windows, laser windows, and in scientific equipment. They are also used in some high-tech industrial applications, such as in the aerospace industry, for high-speed cutting and polishing of hard materials like ceramics and tungsten carbide. Number 4 Copper. Copper is a chemical element with the symbol Cu, from Latin, cuprum, and atomic number 29. It is a soft, malleable, and ductile metal with a reddish-orange color. It is a good conductor of electricity and is widely used in electrical wiring, as well as in other electrical and electronic components. It is also an excellent heat conductor and is used in cookware and heat exchangers. Copper is one of the oldest known metals and has been in use for thousands of years. It was first used by humans around 8000 BC in the form of tools and weapons. It is believed to have been first mined in the region around the Upper Nile River in Egypt. Copper is abundant and can be found in many different minerals, including copper sulfides, copper carbonates, and copper silicates. It is typically extracted from copper sulfide minerals through a process called smelting, in which the mineral is heated to high temperatures in the presence of a reducing agent such as coke or charcoal. Copper has many industrial uses, including construction, transportation, electronics, and power generation. It is also used in coins, as a fungicide and as a food supplement. It is also used as an alloy with other metals to create brass, bronze, and other alloys that have specific properties. Number 5. Iron. Iron ore is a mineral consisting of iron and oxygen. Iron ore is primarily found as the oxides hematite and magnetite, though it can also appear as goethite, limonite, and siderite. Iron ore is the primary raw material used to make steel. Iron ore is mined from Earth's crust and is typically found in the form of hematite or magnetite. The iron content of these ores ranges from 70% down to 20% or less. To extract iron from the ore, it must be heated to a very high temperature in a blast furnace, along with limestone and coke. The iron ore, limestone, and coke are put into the top of the furnace, and a hot air blast is blown in at the bottom. The iron ore reacts with the limestone and coke to form liquid iron and carbon dioxide. The liquid iron can be poured into molds to make pig iron, which can be further processed to make steel. Iron ore is a critical ingredient in the production of steel, which is used in infrastructure and other construction projects around the world. Iron ore is also used in the manufacture of medicines, food, and chemicals. Iron ore mining is a very capital-intensive process, and it typically requires large initial investments in infrastructure. The mining process itself is also very energy-intensive, and requires large amounts of fossil fuels to be burned in order to produce the heat needed to melt the iron ore. Number 6. Coal. Coal is a fossil fuel that is formed from the remains of plants that lived and died millions of years ago. It is a sedimentary rock made mostly of carbon and hydrocarbons, and it is primarily used as a source of energy. Coal is classified into different types, depending on its composition and properties, including anthracite, bituminous, subbituminous, and lignite. The most common type of coal used for energy production is bituminous coal, which has a higher energy content than other types of coal. Coal is extracted from the ground by mining, which can be done through surface mining or underground mining. Surface mining involves removing the overburden, the soil and rock above the coal seam, to access the coal seam, while underground mining involves extracting the coal from deep underground. Coal is primarily used as a source of energy, and it is burned to generate electricity. It is also used in the production of steel, cement, and other industrial products. However, burning coal releases greenhouse gases and other pollutants into the atmosphere, which contributes to climate change and air pollution. Additionally, coal mining can have a detrimental effect on the environment and local communities, including the destruction of forests and habitats, the displacement of communities, and the contamination of water and air. Number 7. Lithium. Lithium is a chemical element with the symbol Li and atomic number 3. It is a soft, silvery white metal that belongs to the alkali metal group of chemical elements. Lithium is highly reactive and flammable, and is stored in mineral oil. Lithium is found in small quantities in many rocks and soils, and it is also found in some brines, such as those found in salt flats and lithium-rich clay. The primary sources of lithium are from mineral spodumene, lepidolite, petalite, amblygonite and eucryptite. Lithium is used in a variety of products and industries, including batteries, ceramics, glass, lubricants, pharmaceuticals, and metallurgy. It is also used in the aerospace industry and in nuclear medicine. The main use of lithium is in lithium-ion batteries, which are widely used in portable electronic devices such as smartphones, laptops, and electric cars. Lithium is also used in the production of ceramics, glass, and other materials, as well as in the manufacturing of certain alloys. Lithium mining is a rapidly growing industry, due to the increasing demand for lithium-ion batteries. However, it can also have a negative impact on the environment, as it can cause damage to water resources, disrupt local ecosystems, and negatively impact local communities. Number 8. Uranium. It is a dense, silvery white metal that is weakly radioactive. Uranium is present in trace amounts in all rocks, soils, and waters, and is naturally present in low levels in the air. Uranium ore is extracted through mining, which can be done through underground or open pit mining. After the ore is mined, it is crushed and ground, and then the uranium is separated from other minerals in the ore through a process called leaching. Uranium is primarily used as a fuel for nuclear power plants, which produce electricity by generating heat through nuclear reactions. Uranium is also used in the production of nuclear weapons and in certain industrial and medical applications. While uranium provides a significant source of clean energy and has many potential uses, it also poses potential risks to human health and the environment. The mining, milling, and disposal of uranium ore and waste can lead to the release of radioactive materials into the air and water, which can have negative impacts on human health and the environment. Additionally, if not handled and stored properly, spent fuel from nuclear power plants can also pose a risk to human health and the environment. Number 9. Bauxite. Bauxite is a sedimentary rock with a relatively high aluminum content. It is the world's main source of aluminum. Bauxite consists mostly of the aluminum minerals gibbsite, Al-O3, boehmite, gamma-Alo-O, and diaspore, alpha-Alo-O, mixed with the two iron oxides goethite and hematite, the clay mineral kaolinite and small amounts of anatase, TO2, and ilmenite, Fe-TO3 or FeO. TO2. Bauxite is primarily mined in tropical and subtropical areas, such as Africa, South America, and Australia. The largest producers of bauxite are China, Brazil, and Australia. After mining, the bauxite is refined into alumina, which is then smelted into aluminum. Bauxite has a variety of uses, the most significant of which is in the production of aluminum. Aluminum is used in a wide range of products, including cans, foil, kitchen utensils, window frames, and aircraft parts. Additionally, bauxite is also used in the production of abrasives, refractory materials, and as a source of alumina for the chemical industry. Bauxite mining can have a negative impact on the environment. The process of mining bauxite generates significant amounts of red mud, a waste product that contains toxic heavy metals and radioactive materials. The mining of bauxite also can cause deforestation and loss of biodiversity, as well as disrupting local communities and their ways of life. Number 10. Silver. Silver is a chemical element with the symbol Ag, from the Latin argentum, and atomic number 47. It is a soft, white, lustrous transition metal. It has the highest electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, and reflectivity of any metal. Silver is also the most reflective of all the elements. Silver is found in nature in its pure form, as well as in ores that contain other metals such as copper, lead, and zinc. The most important source of silver is silver ores like argentite and horn silver. The process of mining and extracting silver involves crushing the ore, and then separating the silver from other minerals using various methods, including flotation, gravity separation, and cyanide leaching. Silver has been used for thousands of years for jewelry and as a store of value. It has been used as money and as a way to preserve wealth. Silver is also used in various industrial applications, including in electrical components, mirrors, and in the production of silver compounds used in photography and medicine. Silver is also used in the production of silver nitrate, which is used in the manufacture of certain types of glass, as well as in the production of silver halide, which is used in photography. Silver is also used in various industrial applications, including in electrical components, mirrors, and in the production of silver compounds used in photography and medicine. The increasing use of silver in various industrial applications, along with its use in jewelry and as a store of value, make it a valuable mineral resource.